Hello world. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to replace the belt and or belt tensioner on your 2000 whatever 5.9 6.7 Cummins. This is a Ram 2500 2010, but it's pretty much the same engine from 98 to tomorrow. Now all I have is a breaker bar, 1/2 inch. If you look here, I'm underneath the truck, obviously. Right here. Now you'll see there's a lot of videos online. People pulling the fan shroud. You don't need to do any of that, really. This right here is obviously the belt. This is my tensioner. And right on that tensioner, there'll be a 1/2 inch drive. That's where I'll use my breaker bar. And I'll show you how I get it in there. Sometimes you gotta play with the fan a little bit to get it in there just right. And today, don't tell anyone, but I'm using my grandfather's old torque wrench because it's really narrow. See, it fits in there nicely. That's it, right there. If I was replacing this tensioner, there's a 13mm bolt right there. That's it. There's a dowel pin on the back that you just have to line up, but that's it. And another tip when you're changing this belt is to remember this truck, the layout, it's over under in that order. Over under all the pulleys. So as long as you go under one, the next one's gonna be over, then under, then over, and then under, and so on. That's it. It's pretty simple. A good tip to remember is to slide. You got to sneak the belt past that tensioner right there. So when you're replacing it, you just slide it past the tensioner. So it's easier with two people, but you could definitely do it by yourself. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Good luck.